Michael, two very important sessions have just wrapped up. One was about the Chinese currency context, including the renminbi internationalization. Another one was a session about the new Europe, where it was discussed how financial stability can be improved, as well as corporate sentiment across the continent. Now, to talk more about global investment sentiment as well as the market activity here in Europe, we are joined by Makram Azar. He is Vice Chairman of Investment Banking at Barclays. Makram, thank you very much for joining us. Now, from a Barclays perspective, what kind of key trends in terms of investments are you seeing? What is the investment appetite in Europe in 2014?
Thanks for having me, Martina. The sentiment is definitely more positive this year. You can feel it here in Davos in conversations with all the world leaders who are present here. The global economy is looking much better. It's projected to grow around 3.5% this year. It's different in different parts of the world, but even in the developed markets, the growth projected is around 2 to 3% in Europe and in the US and in the main large markets like UK, Germany, etc. And in the emerging markets, it's around 5%. So much better than what we've seen over the past several years. And the sentiment is much more positive, and that is encouraging companies to get on the move again and make strategic moves and investments in different parts of the world. And we're seeing that regularly over the last several months. The financing markets also are wide open, debt is widely available, interest rates are at record lows. So all of that really helps in terms of facilitating transactions in all the different sectors.
We are also seeing several signs of pickup in mergers and acquisitions. Where do you see, in which markets, pickup in corporate activity?
Again, I think we see it across different parts of the world. We saw one of the largest transactions in history last year in the US with Verizon purchasing the stake of Vodafone in Verizon Wireless. It was a $130 billion transaction that we were associated with. We're seeing that also in the emerging markets. A lot of companies are moving into the emerging markets through acquisitions. But even in Western Europe, we're seeing more activity in mergers and acquisitions. And also the equity markets are widely open. As you may have seen, there have been a lot of IPOs over the last several months. We're expecting this year as well to have more IPOs in 2014. Strategics are on the move, but also private equity players who were sitting on the sidelines over the last few years are getting active again. So all looking more positive this year.
Super. Now we're very bullish on 2014. Thank you very much for joining us, Makram.